Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to hide your last seen status from specific contacts on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted a bit more privacy without blocking someone entirely, this new feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once it loads, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon that's the settings button. Click on it to open your account settings. Next, from the list of options on the left-hand side, click on Privacy. This is where you'll find all your privacy controls, including who can see your profile photo, your online activity, and of course, your last seen status. Now, under Privacy, look for Last Seen and click it. WhatsApp will show you a few visibility options. Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To hide your last seen from specific people, choose My Contacts Except. You'll now see your contact list appear on the screen. Simply click on the names of the people you want to exclude from seeing your last seen. You can select one person or multiple contacts. It's completely up to you. Once you've selected them, confirm your choice by clicking Done. That's it. WhatsApp will automatically apply the changes. From now on, only the people you didn't exclude will be able to see when you were last active. It's worth noting that when you hide your last seen from someone, you also won't be able to see theirs. It works both ways. This helps keep things equal and transparent for everyone using the app. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to stay a bit more private on WhatsApp without going completely offline. Keep this trick in mind whenever you need a little digital breathing room. Thanks for watching.